Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Zarina binti Muhamad Julaini as a project advisor.
Hi, my name is Aish Haikal bin Ashfi as a project leader.
Hi, my name is Hudda Amirul Afdlin bin Hudda Firdaus Azizi as a team member.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Aqif Hazwardi as a team member.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Amar bin Fhaizal as a team member.
Dough ingredients: brown rice, sugar, yeast, egg, wheat flour, white pepper, paprika and black pepper, butter, king oyster mushroom, mix up salt and sugar, and brown rice flour. Filling ingredient: halal onion, egg, garlic, mozzarella cheese, white pepper, paprika and black pepper, king oyster mushroom, and mix up salt and sugar. Weigh 250 grams of brown rice. Place the rice into the blender. Grind the rice until smooth. Strain the brown rice. Melt the butter. Chop king oyster mushroom. Dissolve this with water and sugar. Dough making. Add wheat flour and brown rice flour. Add dissolved yeast with water and sugar. Add melted butter. Add egg. Add chopped king oyster mushroom. Stir and knead until it becomes a dough. Add paprika. Add salt. Add white pepper and black pepper. Add mix up. Stir. Dough result. Ingredients for filling: white pepper, paprika and black pepper, butter, chopped garlic, chopped halal onion and chopped king oyster mushroom. Mix up salt and sugar. Melt the butter. Add chopped garlic. Add chopped halal onion. Add chopped king oyster mushroom. Add mix up salt, black pepper, white pepper and paprika. Filling result. Shape the dough into a round shape. Flatten the dough and add filling. Shape the dough into an oval. Put a little oil in the steamer. Place the formed dough into the steamer and steam for 35 seconds. Leave and place on the tray. The result. Do standard breading procedure. Breading result. Deep fry. Use seal pack to pack the product. Final result after sealing. Packing procedure before freezing the product and keep it at -18 Celsius in the freezer. Final result. Pull out mozzarella cheese.
taste the product. Okay. So I taste this product. The taste is crunchy, crispy, and have a nutty from the brown rice. I like. Good.
The texture is very light, and if you can see, this is very crispy, and I think this is fully of the mushroom flavor.